Okay. Playing Bite by Night as Enoch is crazy. Did Beermaster just kill himself? No, no skin for you. No skin for you. No skin for you. No food either. No food. No food. No food. No food. Hey! You are the stud here. You are the stud. This is why I'm not paying for child support. This is why I'm not paying for child support. I'm paying that child support, man. I'm playing Bite by Night as Enoch from Wayne Ward. There's so many other Wayne Ward fans here. My keys! And I ain't paying for that child support. I don't care about the keys. What do you mean what happened? Hold up. Someone cosplaying as the kid, one of Enoch's kids from Wayne Ward was like, "Father, I need skin." It was like, "No skin for you." I'm playing Bite by Night, and there's a bunch of other Wayne Ward fans here. Yeah, but this is the perfect sitting pouch for Enoch, bruh. Why is someone using an emo that's basically just the skeleton sealed meme? Wait. Oh, we got multiple fandoms up joint. We got Wayne Ward and Forsaken. Because that was definitely, I forgot his name. I just know it's from Forsaken. There's a spider on my ceiling and I'm naming him. That's not whip! That is not whip! That is into the disguise as Wimbledon and beat my shit. Hey, can you see me trying to not die here? Wait, hey, But even it doesn't like Enoch. playing as Enoch in Bite by Night. Just got brutally butchered by Enoch. Yes, the Bay Harbor Butcher. And butchered me. Whoa! He disguised as Rivulet and hit me with the left, right, good night. He disguised as Rivulet. Left, right, good night. I'm gonna throw rocks at your window. Why is Goku here? What? Seems like almost all of the Rainbow fans. Rivulet, stop! Rivulet just committed suicide.
When is Random gonna get back?
Oh no. What? No. Playing Snake, man. I'm playing Snake in Bite by Night as Enoch. There's nothing you can do to stop me. Hey, no! No. No attention for you. Like I said, I'm not paying that child support. Yes. This is all the father's. This is all the father's son. Oh my god. Good job. This is all you're gonna get. This is a group. Oh, I died from. Okay. Even Hunter's playing. Wow, I'm still broke at the joke just like in real life. Ding! 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 I know. Here. To play hide and seek. Find me. What? Good thing my mic can only catch what I'm saying, because you are gonna get me permanently mic terminated if you keep on saying that crap. You stop trying to get me permanently mic terminated, Gregory. You know all too well. Dummy. Duh. Why is Noob here? Nah. Boy, what? Why was it in a T-posing? Imagine being this guest, man. Just like getting saved down by Enoch. Can you? Oh.
What am I doing?
It's time to play hide and seek. So he'll surely find me. Well, I don't think this guy really knows how to play. Cause he's like only using, like he's turning into a survivor and doesn't mean he was. Like, for like with the fact that what? But there's also mind games in there. But like, you would think that, but like, doesn't he use Enoch for mind games if he uses the disguise ability? Oh, he's becoming me. It's like I'm spectating myself. Oh. Saying that Enoch, he just immediately undisguised. Okay. Hello, Webelet. Webelet, the twins over there. Why is Goku dancing? There are bugs under your skin. 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 Okay, bye Gregory. There are bugs under your skin. 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 I don't think the intro's playing for me. Okay. Did not mean to do that. No. Okay, you fixed that because my ass that stuff isn't loading for some reason. I didn't even turn this thing.
But it was me.
Then you make me get a warning because of your stuff. Ugly. Yeah, at least I didn't get permanently banned because of you, like I thought. I asked.
I think I'm gonna click with you there, then I'm gonna see it.
Why can I only see the rough layout of the map?
Oh, see you guys.
He liked it. Okay, I can trust people because I know for a fact. Because it's not Enwood. Well, I did not. I had to see the killer to know, the animatronic to know who it was. Because it would not play the animated one. Yup. Okay. I'm staying close to this noob. Cause I can only see the rough layout of the map. Cause my stuff is being weird. Not good. Why is Springtrap T-posing? I think it's called the half a slice of cake update because it's not all of what's coming in Worth the Wait Part 2, it's just half of it. I was just pretending to help because I really can't do anything. No doubt, I can't do anything. Stop. Maybe I don't want to remember. Hunter! Hunter, help! I can't see anything! Everything's see-through! Hunter! Why are you running? You have an axe! Oh. Oh, of course Springtrap's coming for me. I'm Enoch. I'm Enoch. I'm playing Bite by Night if you want to join in. I'm not the only Wayne Ward fan here. There's a lot. I can name all of them. But in this lobby there is multiple Weatherlets, one Hunter, and I think one of Iron V's kids, and I'm Iron V. So that's why I'm saying that's how it's what? Bite by Night? Get a better device, Random. Yo! Artificial! Welcome to hell! Bro, we plied in the most artificial way possible. Yo, why is Bro naked? Not to me. Better close it. Oh.
We would like to apologize for the inconvenience.
Tango with a more fight.
Please make
Aesthetic.
Yeah. Hip hop. What's the chances that the first time I played this game I went into a whole bunch of other Wayne Ward fans?
I think the Ram World is way more popular right now. With Gunshot and
Yeah, I feel like a bunch of the less known indie games that like are becoming more popular, like Wayne Ward, Casualties Unknown, and Gunshot. Yo, why am I? Yeah. Oh. Not too long. I think it's just the same amount as the normal Forsaken round. Oh god.
Where's it at?
I can't. Yo, I can't see anything. Is there like a... Is there like a fast play mode that makes it so it's easier to play?
Oh, I just got kidnapped by a worm. 7 with a chainsaw killed him.
I'm recording a video right now, so you guys can see what I see when I post it.
This behavior will be noted in your performance.
What? I can't see anything. I just see the rough layout of the map.
Remain where you are.
I will not remain where I am, thank you very much. God. I actually just can't see anything. I'm actually cooked. But the Mimic doesn't even have animations for me. Help! What? Okay, pizza healed me by the... What the? I got that suspended. I think I accidentally cussed. Probably the amount as normal. Okay.
This behavior will be noted in your performance review.
What was Brew actually is? Why did Brew actually just do that? You're a dead man!
Continued resistance will result in disciplinary action.
Daddy, gotta stay here. You're a dead man! We can't leave. No, my ears screeching. No, I was getting kidnapped by a worm and guess said, "Get down, Mr. President!" Looking like back. There's a worm. Like, it was trying to kidnap me.
Future ways
It
to
quickly got stuck and then guess had enough time to use Vanish.
Hey, that's not very nice. Hey, get up! Get up!